If you have a microwave, you may have noticed that when it's on, you may simultaneously have problems loading web pages on your smartphone, laptop, or other internet-enabled device, especially if your router and microwave are close together. Why does this happen? Why does turning on the microwave affect your Wi-Fi connectivity? Like most things that have to do with electrical signals, the answer begins with electromagnetic radiation. We are almost always surrounded by electromagnetic radiation. Visible light, something that permeates everything around us, is a form of electromagnetic radiation. Many other things, including mobile phones, television remote controls, microwave ovens, and Wi-Fi, also work via this radiation. Electromagnetic radiation comes in different forms, depending on the frequency. Gamma rays and X-rays have high frequencies and therefore high energy levels, while radio waves and microwaves are on the opposite side of the spectrum, possessing lower frequencies. Two of the most common household appliances are microwave ovens and Wi-Fi routers, both of which emit electromagnetic radiation. Microwave ovens emit microwaves to heat food, while Wi-Fi routers emit radio waves. Microwave ovens convert electricity into longer wavelength electromagnetic waves called microwaves, which are emitted inside a tightly sealed metal box. Although it's not entirely clear how the heat is distributed throughout the food being subjected to the waves, microwaves are known to be extremely adept at exciting and vibrating water molecules, and most natural foods contain some water. These microwaves stimulate vigorous motion of the water molecules, creating intermolecular friction, which generates enough heat to cook the food. However, for some people, the moment you turn on a microwave, your Wi-Fi connection becomes unpredictable. In some cases, your device may fail to connect entirely, but after you turn off the microwave, the internet connection returns to normal. The reason for this problem is the frequencies of operation, which overlap between your Wi-Fi modem and the microwave oven. Both usually operate at a frequency of about 2.4 GHz, but unlike Wi-Fi modems, microwave ovens do not transmit data, but instead emit signals in the unlicensed 2.4 GHz ISM band, which stands for Industrial, Scientific, and Medical Band. While a well-shielded microwave oven should not allow microwaves to escape its metallic boundary in principle, in reality, it does. Some microwave radiation leaks out and interferes with Wi-Fi signals on the 2.4 GHz radio wave, which is commonly used in Wi-Fi devices. Some other devices that can cause similar interference include electric blankets, electric bug zappers, and toaster ovens. Remember, the actual devices are not mixing, so your data is safe, but the waves emanating from them do overlap. Also, don't worry about radiation, as we're all surrounded by devices that constantly emit these high-frequency electromagnetic waves, including our smartphones, computers, power lines, and even baby monitors. The best solution to this problem is to upgrade your Wi-Fi equipment to a system that operates in the 5 GHz band. The advantage of using 5 GHz is that it not only prevents interference from other household devices operating in the 2.4 GHz band, but it also supports better connectivity. However, the operating range of a 5 GHz router is smaller than one operating at 2.4 GHz. Another way to minimize interference is to simply keep the microwave at least a few meters away from your router.